Dear JA Fellows family, I trust this note finds you and your loved ones well and healthy. I wanted to take a quick minute to share with you the amazing job that our students, lead teachers, and mentors have done throughout the year. The JA Fellows program allows high school students to work in teams to create real small businesses, from the conception of a product or service all the way to the liquidation of a company. Students have participated of 3 amazing events: the JA Fellows Retreat, the JA Fellows Bootcamp, where students pitched their product to local sharks that not only gave them feedback but also became shareholders in their companies. Finally, students participated of the JA Bootcamp, where students learn how to create amazing deliverables in order to participate of the upcoming JA Company of the Year event. Please take a moment to check out the links and photos below with videos of the highlights of our events. I will soon be back to share further details about the upcoming JA Fellows Online Company of the Year. For the first time, we will have our competition virtually. Should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. My name is Rios, Director of Entrepreneurship Initiatives at Junior Achievement of South Florida. Thank you.